Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this ultimate security solution platform, which is NordProtect. So let's dive into it. NordProtect is Node security identity protection tools, and in 2025, it's one of the strongest options for safeguarding your personal data. It offers dark web monitoring, real-time alert, and credit activities tracking, along with generous coverage up to $1 million for identity recovery plus payout for cyber extortion and online fraud. A big plus is the hand-on support, where an expert case manager helps guide you through recovery if your identity is compromised. Backed by Node trusted security ecosystem, NordProtect combines user-friendly design with enterprise-grade protection, which make it a solid choice for individuals who want more than just credit monitoring. On the downside, NordProtect is currently limited to US users, which cuts out a big portion of the global market. Pricing is also less transparent compared to rival, since it's either bundled with NordVPN Prime or solid separate at a premium. For budget-conscious users, it can feel restrictive. Still, the pros, wide coverage, expert recovery support, and strong security integration outweigh the cons, which make NordProtect one of the most reliable identity and cyber protection solution in 2025. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.